contamination issues throughout our industry. No technology is free from risk. The stainless systems that we continue to use, and I think will for the foreseeable for some applications, they have many chances for integrity failure from damaged equipment or poor setup. I want to call out specifically misalignments that can compound over time in the piping. That's a particularly difficult one to fight against and can lead to contamination. The prevalence of single-use systems that does help, in my opinion, to improve the contamination control, but there are still ways in which it can be there can be integrity failures. That's bag leaks, but also leaks between aseptic connectors. And those can happen from defaults from the technology itself, defects that can happen in shipping or unpackaging. But also manual setup is still required. So there's still a lot of sort of human intervention there to put the systems in place and assemble them correctly. And there's a lot of a potential for error there that we've seen. And I will call out tube welding specifically as a contamination risk, and that's still a common practice. And the last point, in some of these single-use systems, custom aseptic connectors are needed to put new probes into bags and things like that, and those connectors also seem to be a weak point. So today we don't have a process technology that's really free from contamination risk.